Alright, what's up guys? Today I am looking at the Spark Trixx, figure out what's wrong with the communication error it's having. Right now it's stuck in the up position. You'll probably hear some background noise from my wife, don't bother that. But if I look, okay, so there's the module itself. It goes through the hull into the whatchamacallit, but I want to pull off the connection and see how bad it is, because it is down there. Why would you put a connection down there? Why not put the connection up here? But yeah, I'm gonna try and see how far I can get today, and yeah, because tomorrow I want to go to the beach, and it'd be better if we could do that with this working so it actuates. Alright, so after watching some YouTube, I saw that there wasn't a whole lot of videos, or at least any that popped up right away while I ate my sandwich, to remove this. But what I did was, okay, so it's like this usually. I was able to like crank it this way past this hose that gets in the way. If you see this hose that gets in the way, if you're smart, you would just pop that hose off, undo that clamp, pop the hose off, but I didn't take my time. I noticed that the connections all actually look really nice. There is dielectric grease in there, so that's like to ward away water, like a witch or something. So my next issue I am having is, how the F do you get that out, right? Because on this side there's all this junk, right? So that knot absolutely does not fit through that hole. Do I have to cut the Oetiker connection? When I do that, what's on the end of this? Or do I cut this one, pull it back, and I feel some kind of joint in there. Hi Soren, are you helping me work on jet ski? Okay. So I have some of these fittings. I probably don't have that size though. So if I do, I know if you stick a screwdriver in here and you're lucky, you can reuse it. However, I'm not lucky. I have to work hard on stuff. So maybe that's what I'll try. You know, worst case scenario, I would screw up the whole jet ski and never ride it again, right? Hey, don't touch those. Okay guys, I was not lucky. I broke it. But right here I see the star bolt, or Torx, whatever you want to call it, and then the bottom has that. So it looks like you just grab that and torque that off, take that Torx off, and then it should slide through. If I maybe not, we'll see. Okay, I just used my good and trusty great littlest guy, 220, and then a 10 mil on the bottom. I noticed that screw itself has like yellow looking stuff. I have not tried to remove it yet. Oh, yay, victory, kinda. Alright, this is that thing. It goes bad. Freedom. Alright guys, since my issue is communication fault with IBR, I wasn't concerned with the motor, right? I'm concerned with what's ever going on down here. Look at, see, dude, you made me bleed my own blood. How dare you make me bleed my own blood? I see some of that. I don't know if that could be water entry. Just kind of looks like grease, but we'll see. We'll see what the other side looks like. I think I have to take this out and undo these screws. I think there's two of them. Yeah. Alright guys, so I took this off and everything looks really clean. It's kind of weird that there's only the two coming through. I would have thought there would be something for telling where it is, right? Some kind of sensor to tell where it is. Like if it's all the way up or all the way down, or if it just counts something. Alright, let's does this pop off? No, it does not. So everything looks really nice actually, right? I don't see any corrosion at all in there. Nothing that would tell me, hey, I'm bad. On this side, I don't see anything bad. I don't know if you can see this at all. Etiquette. Yeah, you should have some more etiquette and not make me bleed my own blood. Okay, so what's next? Oh, I wonder if these are the pickups for where it is. And then if there's like a piece of metal on this, it could sense it, right? I'm wondering if that's how it works. In that case, I wonder if there is like a magnet or something on the end of that. I don't really want to take all that apart. I know the inside of this is good. I'm gonna get some new sealant, seal it up really good. It spins over real nice. I can hook it up to a battery real quick and spin it in or out. Maybe we'll check that, see how that works. Well, the motor works really good, but I went the wrong way and I broke my gear. Gonna see if I can jump online and grab one quick and have it here for really soon. Ugh. That sucks, but that's why I share my stuff. Okay, so if you're all the way one way, don't turn it on, right? Because this thing spins real quick, and it'll break these plastic gears. So don't do what I did. Learn from my mistakes, and I will see if I can find the gear and get it here relatively soon. Alright, so I broke that gear. You might have seen it. I know a lot of you have broken this other gear. Mine's in good shape. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix this, or at least try to temporarily fix it, right? So here's my thoughts. JB Weld. I'm gonna mix up a batch of pretty thin JB Weld. And try and pour it in here. Now I cleaned it up with brake clean. I see a little bit of residual grease on there, so I'm going to try and get that up. I'll probably try and scuff it up a little bit with some sandpaper, but then I'll just pour it in there and let it sit for a while, and then do the same to the other side. That should work, or at least get me to the next riding day. Alright guys, we have the baby weld poured. Now, because of how my gear broke, there's like pieces, like it was almost like a star. So when I fit it back together, it was like it clicked right back into spot, right back into its spot. So hopefully that's enough to hold it, like all the ridges and stuff. I am going to flip it over and do the other side once this is, you know, somewhat hard. So right now, I'm gonna let it sit and then we'll check it. Okay guys, embarrassing moment number 249,000. I had this all back together. I just used this blue RTB silicone instead of like the black. Had it all back together. I had it in the ski, and then I came down here and I saw this. And I knew what this was for. I knew it's for something over here. I think it's to hold this in or something, right? So it provides what, a spacer between there and there, and it holds. Okay, so this piece that I found doesn't go there. It goes right there. And if you spend like an hour looking for something that goes there, I don't think this has one. I think just these screws hold in this whole bracket. So don't be like me and do things in 2 days. Just do it all in 1 day so you remember everything, how it went together. Okay, moving right along. Got the trim thing back in. I still gotta do this side of things, which I think all the parts are right there. So I will come back to you after that. Alright, we're moving right along. I am going to grab the top deck and put it on. Kind of wanted to show how it is easy, but it kind of sucks in the process as well. What I noticed about putting the top deck on is there is a like a bracket that just floats, kinda. You want to make sure that's in right there. But that's putting the top deck on. Alright guys, got it all back together. I started it up. I don't know if it actuates when you're parked or whatever, but we'll see if it works. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to bring it out. One thing I noticed is every time you put it back together, you have extra screws. I figure it's just weight reduction or whatever. No, I'm just kidding. But oh, that nut goes in there, but it's stripped out. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it for now. Everything else went really smooth. I will note that it is easier to take the steering off if you take this off. It's just one screw and then it like pops out. I've made sure the connections for the VTS and the, I don't know, other start stuff, maybe the screen, made sure that was all real nice. Just cleaning up my mess here, and that's probably it for this video. I'll probably record a little tomorrow when we take it out, if we take it out. But kind of let you know as things work out. So be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all you subscribers, all the people that watch the videos. Yeah, that's why I do this, right? I love jet skis. I love watching jet ski stuff on YouTube. So I don't know, if you guys like are professional mechanics, you're gonna laugh at me for some of the crap I do, but I'm not even a shade tree mechanic. I don't even have a tree. I'm just a freaking, you know, backyard mechanic that knows a little bit of things, basically from YouTube University, YouTube Technical Institute, YTTI, right? So yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Have a nice day and have a great weekend. Looks like it's gonna be like 80s all weekend, so